everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into what went down in the Forex market on October 18, 2024, and what to expect heading into tomorrow, October 19th. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. The October 18th trading session was a wild one, with some big movements across the board. Major pairs like euro to US dollar and pound sterling to US dollar saw a lot of action, mostly due to shifting sentiment around the global economic outlook. Euro to US dollar kicked off the day in a tight range but surged after stronger than expected inflation data from the Eurozone. That surprise sparked some buying momentum, pushing the pair towards a new weekly high. However, it hit some resistance in the afternoon as US economic data came in mixed. Pound sterling to US dollar also saw some interesting moves, mainly driven by the ongoing uncertainty around the Bank of England's next rate decision. Traders are still weighing how the UK's inflation numbers will affect the central bank's stance. This back and forth kept the pair volatile throughout the day. Over on the other side, US dollar to Japanese yen stayed relatively steady, but there's an underlying tension building due to speculation about potential interventions from the Bank of Japan. It's definitely one to keep an eye on as we head into the weekend. Right now, sentiment is mixed. Inflation concerns continue to dominate the conversation, especially with the latest numbers coming out of the Eurozone, and the US central banks are in focus, as investors try to figure out what their next move might be. Another major factor driving the market is the situation in the commodities market, particularly oil. With prices hovering around recent highs, currencies like the Canadian dollar and Australian dollar are feeling the heat. Looking ahead to October 19th, let's break down what to watch for with some technical analysis. Euro to US dollar, we're seeing solid support around the 1.0630 level, with resistance likely to come into play around 1.0685. If the pair manages to break above that, we could be in for a continued push higher, but if it fails, we might see some consolidation. Pound sterling to US dollar, with all the uncertainty surrounding the UK economy, expect more volatility here. The key support is around 1.2130, while resistance is hovering near 1.2250. We could see another test of that resistance if sentiment around the Bank of England shifts. US dollar to Japanese yen, there's strong resistance at 149.50, and if the pair breaks above that, we might see a test of the 150 level. However, given the speculation around Bank of Japan intervention, this pair could face some surprises. Keep an eye on it as things unfold. Other pairs to watch are Australian dollar to US dollar and US dollar to Canadian dollar, as both are tied to commodities. Any movement in oil prices could create ripple effects. So, there you have it, your Forex update for October 18, 2024, and what to look for as we head into tomorrow. As always, keep your eye on the news and economic reports because anything can happen in this market, especially with central banks in play. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily Forex updates. I'll see you all tomorrow.